Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Trian Nuraini, class management 22A in PM 2241-1037. In this video, I will tell you about core value and ethic in organizational change. The first, introduction to organizational change. Organizational change is a structured process that shifts an organization from its current state to a desired future state. It encompasses change in strategy, structure, process, and overall corporate culture. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, organizational must continuously adapt to market shift, technological advancement, and economic fluctuation. Without effective change management, business risks falling behind competitors or failing to meet customer expectations. However, implementing change is not merely about exciting new policies or restructuring. It requires a deep understanding of ethical consideration and core value to ensure a smooth and successful transition. Ethics and core value play a fundamental role in guiding the behavior of employee and leader during change. They provide a moral compass that influences decision-making, foster trust, and reduce resistance among stakeholders. When change initiatives align with the organizational core value, they are more likely to be accepted and supported by employees. Conversely, if an organizational disregard ethics in its change process, in risk losing credibility, employee loyalty, and overall effectiveness. And the next slide is about core value in organizational change. Core values serve as the fundamental principle that define how an organization operates and make decisions. These values are the foundation of an organizational culture and play a critical role in shaping how change is implemented. When an organization remains committed to its core value during period of transformation, it can navigate change more effectively while maintaining employee morale and public trust. Some of the most essential core values in change management include: the first, integrity. Organization must prioritize honesty and transparency when implementing change. Employees and stakeholders should be well informed about the reason for change and how it will impact them. 2. Accountability. Leader and decision maker must take full responsibility for the outcome of change. Employee of change initiative, holding individual accountable, ensure fairness and credibility within the organizational. 3. Respect. Considering the perspective of employee, customer, and stakeholder is critical when making significant organizational change. Companies that value respect foster a more inclusive and supportive work environment. For innovation, embracing creative and new ideas allow organizations to adapt more effectively, encourage employees to contribute in innovative solutions, foster a culture of continuous improvement. 5. Collaboration. Effective change management requires teamwork and shared responsibility. When employees and leaders work together toward a common goal, the transition becomes smoother and more productive. And the next slide is about ethical challenges in organizational change. Although ethical considerations are critical in change management, many organizations encounter ethical dilemmas when implementing change. Some of the most common ethical challenges include the first, lack of transparency. One of the biggest ethical concerns in organizational change is the failure to provide clear and honest communication. When employees are not given adequate information about change, they may feel uncertain and distrustful of leadership decisions. 2. Unfair treatment of employees. During restructuring or downsizing, organizations must ensure that employees are treated with fairness and respect. Decisions about layoff, promotion, and reassignments should be based on ethical consideration rather than favoritism or cost-cutting motive alone. 3. Resistance to change due to fear or uncertainty. Employees often resist change due to fear of job loss, increased workload, or uncertainty about their future roles. Ethical change management requires organizations to provide support systems such as training and counseling to ease the transition. And the last, balancing profit with ethical consideration. Some organizations prioritize financial gain over ethical responsibility, leading to unfair labor practice, exploitation, or unsustainable business decisions. Ethical leadership ensures that profitability does not come at the expense of employee welfare or corporate social responsibility. Ethical challenges in organizational change is to address these ethical challenges. Organizations must adapt key strategies such as: first, open communication, providing clear, honest, and consistent message about the purpose and impact of change help build trust and reduce engagement among employees. 2. Fair decision making. ensure that a change initiative do not disproportionately disadvantage certain group of employees is essential for maintaining morale and equity. 3. Employee involvement. Engagement employees in the change process by seeking their feedback and involving them in decision making can increase acceptance and commitment. 4. Ethical leadership. Leaders should model ethical behavior by making decisions that align with the company value and prioritizing employee well-being. By addressing this challenge with ethical consideration in mind, organization can create a positive and supportive environment for change, leading to the long-term success and sustainability. And the last slide is about conclusion and key takeaways. Ethical principles and core values are essential in ensuring the success of organizational change. Organizational that priorities integrity, accountability, respect, innovation, and collaboration are more likely to implement change effectively and with minimal resistance. Ethical leadership fosters trust and loyalty among employees, leading to more engaged and motivated workforce. Transparency, fairness, and employee involvement are key factors in reducing uncertainty and creating a culture of openness and adaptability. Ultimately, organizations must recognize that change is inevitable, but ethical change is a choice. Business that upholds strong ethical standards and aligns their transformation initiative with their core value will not only survive in a competitive landscape but also thrive in the long run. As the saying goes, change is inevitable, but ethical change is a choice. A value-driven organization is a resilient organization. I think enough with this presentation about core value and ethic in organization now change. And I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.